Stop scrolling. Do you know what happens inside your body when you eat grapes every single day? This vibrant, juicy fruit is not just a sweet snack. It is an absolute medical powerhouse that can completely transform your long-term health, from your blood vessels to your brain. First of all, grapes are an incredible shield for your cardiovascular system. They are deeply packed with a rare, highly potent antioxidant called resveratrol, which gives red and purple grapes their rich color. This compound works actively inside your bloodstream to naturally boost nitric oxide production, which relaxes your blood vessels, significantly drops high blood pressure, and eliminates dangerous blood clots, making your heart incredibly strong and fully protected against diseases. But that is just the beginning. Grapes are a massive secret weapon for your brain longevity and mental focus. Their rich polyphenols work directly to clear out oxidative stress in your neural pathways, improving your memory, concentration, and long-term cognitive health. On top of all these benefits, grapes are one of the best natural anti-aging and detox foods on the planet. They are bursting with pure vitamin C, potassium, and unique organic acids that actively help your kidneys flush out uric acid and clean your liver. At the same time, their high antioxidant load protects your skin cells from deep UV damage, prevents wrinkles, and boosts natural collagen production, leaving you with a flawless, youthful, and deeply glowing complexion from within. So do not ignore this juicy superfood anymore. Start adding a fresh bowl of grapes to your breakfast or daily routine today. If you care about your health and love your body, like this video and follow the fruit guide for your daily dose of wellness tips.